flushed it down the potty. Now he's in the sewer, rotting in manure.
Yeah, Barney's dead, blood still hot. Next we turn to baby Bob. She tried to run, we dragged her back, split her skull and heard it crack. Skull shards flew, blood hit the wall. She died face down in the playroom hall. No final words, no mournful sound, just twitching meat on rubber ground. I hate you, you hate me. This ain't PBS, it's a eulogy. Barney's gone, so raise your cup. He finally has shut the fuck up.
Oh, he's under your bed now. Better sleep tight.